In the past few hours, we had this breakdown of the symmetrical triangle and we reached the price target of 90K exactly because the price target is the symmetrical triangle, the first touch point of the top line and the first touch point of this support line. And so the price target, you see, we broke it here down and the price target is exactly 90,000. So what's happening next? And I want to explain you exactly. Let's go back. We've been on the, right now on the 5-minute chart and we are switching to the 1 hourly chart as you see it here. So we're zooming out and let's again watch the ascending, the rising broadening wedge. It's a bearish pattern, and as long as we are staying above this support line, everything will be fine. But as soon as we break it to the downside, this would not look nice at all because the price target is the last touch point of this resistance line and the first touch point of the support line. So this is how you measure it, and the price target, in case we're breaking it here right now down, it would be around $81,000. So this would be not nice at all, but we are not here yet, and we had the breakdown, but so, and now important, because what we could still see is a retest of this resistance line, which is right now already exactly at $99,000. That's crazy, at $99,000. So right now there are two scenarios, what I personally thinking. Wait, let's step by step. We're zooming in on the 15-minute, we watch on the 1 hourly, so we see what could happen in case we're breaking $88,000. But let's go right now on the 15-minute. And you know why I'm so worrying and why I'm staring on all the charts the whole time. My eyes are hurting already because I'm here with over $3.3 million long on several positions. And you see the most of the positions are red here, as you see it here, red, and the other ones, I forgot. No, here I have them open. Yeah, here. And the other one's also red. You see only two of these positions are green. So, never mind. Let's check out the Bitcoin chart on the 15-minute. And on the 15-minute, we have a bigger symmetrical triangle, which we broke to the upside, and the price target is still 97K. It's still 97K, the first price target. We broke it to the upside. Everything is fine. No panic. And what could happen here still right now, that we could retest the symmetrical triangle. And what is the price? The support line, which was here a resistance line because we tried to break it here, we tried to break it here, and we tried to break it here, and here finally we break it the fourth time. This would turn into support line, what is totally fine, and it would be at $89,000. And $89,000, if we're zooming in on the 1 hourly, is exactly here, this line, you see, $89,000. Just for the ones who are new, I want to show you, I will activate this pattern so you see it on the 1 hourly chart, because right now you see it only on the minutes chart, but I will activate it for you, that you see it also on the hourly chart, then you understand what I mean. You see it here. We have a big rising broadening wedge, and within this big rising broadening wedge, we have a symmetrical triangle. You see it here, the green one, and we broke it to the upside, and it's almost the top of the wedge, of the rising broadening wedge at 97,000 and still in play. And you see how perfectly this symmetrical triangle and this rising broadening wedge are perfectly matching, because in case we are breaking it down, we have a very strong support around $88,000. So we don't have to worry as long as we're not breaking $88,000. We have still in play our price target between $97,000 and $100,000 or $99,000. What is nice right now, we see here, if we're zooming again in on 15-minute, we see again a quick reversal, a pump to the upside. So what we want to see is that we are breaking this symmetrical triangle, which is an invalid pattern because we broke it already, reached the price tag, but still we have here two resistance lines, and we have to break these two lines to the upside because they've been here resistance, 1, 2, 3, and they have been here support 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will turn both into resistance. And in case we are breaking here around 91,500 to the upside and closing above, then we know the way is free to go further to $95,000 and $97,000 and $99,000, and probably this could happen tonight. So tonight also what we could see, either we're breaking into the upside or we're going first down here to retest our $88,000 support, and then we're going up. So these are the two scenarios in case until Sunday evening we don't see pump happening. Then it could be a little bit dangerous, but I will anyway do tomorrow again 2 videos. So let me know, what do you think? Very important here, you have, it looks complicated again, I will explain you, it's very easy. It's the Bitcoin liquidity heat map. All you have to know, there are market makers, so-called, they chasing the liquidity means these are the people like me who has long positions open, and they want that I getting liquidated, so they collect my money. So here are, I'm not Bitcoin right now long, but a lot of people long. So if the price falls here to $88,000, a lot of people who are betting that the price will go up will lose all their money, because they're betting, because they have too high leverage. They have too high leverage and they get liquidated. So they're losing the trade, and this is what the market maker could grab. And you see again, it's in a perfect alignment. It goes down to $88,000. It's in a perfect alignment with the support line here of the symmetrical triangle, and with the support line of this big ascending broadening wedge, which is also at $88,000. So probably we could see another drop to $88,000, what is totally fine as long as we stay above. Then the way is free to $97,000 and $100,000. Kiss you and see you later. Mwah.